just touched down in Mexico. I'm officially in Mexico mode. Thank you.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Welcome to Unico. Some very organic mojito with some kiwi, mint leaves.
Some mocktails, salmon here that's very tasty. Also have some sushi that I pretty much done. We got in, we checked in, and we came straight to eat because the last time we ate was 5 a.m. you know, before we got on our flight. So yeah, now we've got the food handled, and we'll do like a whole property tour and show you the amenities here at Unico.
Everything about Unico? Restaurants, spa and gym and everything that. Okay.
It's hot. What's the weather?
14:05. It is
14:05.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's dark and cold.
Welcome, please.
Thank you. Oh, the tub. Oh, such a nice balcony. Thank you. It's so lovely. We're in the room, and here is a room tour. This is Riviera Unico. This is the bathroom, nice and spacious. It is a walk-in shower with a rain shower, and they also have the separate nozzle, which I know we can all appreciate, and also a bench, because not everybody wants to participate in the rain shower. This is the water closet, and then we've got a nice tall rack here for towels. These are the vanities, which are really cool, like hanging mirrors. Got slippers, a scale, blow dryer, of course, water, so different amenities, toothpaste, like everything is kind of already here for you if you didn't bring too much from home. Closets, and of course, I can see a robe in there. I'm always thankful for that. Pillows, blankets, iron, robes. They also have these really cool hats that you can borrow while you're here. You take it down to the beach if you need more sun coverage. Then we've got like a little draw. We got the trash can and a little bag drop area. I skipped over the mini bar, but they've got an espresso machine, water, container for ice, snacks, separate thermostat, TV, and then here's the bed area. One thing I do want to show you is that this is a little peek into the restroom, and if you want to close that, these do fully shut so that whoever's in the bathroom can have more privacy or just keep it quiet for, you know, the spouse who may be sleeping, which is me. I'm definitely sleeping in. These are the lamps that I think are really cool on the bedside table. I'm pretty sure these are like hand woven, but super cool. Mike has already opened up his bag, and for what? What do we need immediately? Maybe swim trunks. This is the side of the room, and then the balcony. There's another sitting area here. As you can see, we've already made ourselves at home, but this nice little card welcoming us, and some little snacks, glass of wine, and here is the balcony. They've got a soaking tub and a little tray for you to put your drinks and stuff on, towels. A sitting area, which Mike is totally sitting. And this is the view, which is so stunning. Hey Colories, welcome to Unico. We are in Riviera, Mexico. We've been here honestly for 3 days. This is the final day, and we're just getting around to a property tour. So come with me. I'm going to show you the entire property, restaurants, amenities, and if you are thinking about booking this space, hopefully this can help you make a decision. Let's go. As you enter the property, there is a bar as soon as you get in with lots of really beautiful seating. They're seating here so that you can have cocktails, you can just lounge around. All of these tables over here have little game boards, have game boards on them. Like this one, has a little chill set here. They do have games in the lobby that you can enjoy. And then immediately straight out from the lobby is this like reflection pool. And straight ahead is also the pool. But let me take you down over on this side. Down this way is the fitness center and spa. And in this hallway, it smells so good. It just smells like a spa out here. And it really entices you to book that spa service. Peace and quiet as soon as you're there. When you walk into the spa area, immediately to your right is the fitness center. Then there's a front desk area, and then the spa is over on the side, interactive beauty salon is over on the side. I am in the room where they have their classes, they have spin classes and different things. I don't want to do too much recording in the extra gym because there are a ton of people in here working out, but it's fully equipped, everything you need to get a workout in. It's beautiful. Here's a beautiful waiting area, and right outside this door is the amenities. You can stay here and relax at the spa all day when you book their services. Overall, just this area is really nice, really stunning, and really well put together. To the right of the check-in desk, there's a really cool coffee. And then you can get fresh pastries, coffees. There's like a cafe area where you can just sit. Of course, you can walk up and get water and coffee and everything like that. This is a long hallway of shops. They've got sunglasses, jewelry. You can plan excursions here. And there is also a little shop for clothing and stuff. We've come up to the first restaurant. This entire hall leads you to all the restaurants on the property, and the first one is the Japanese restaurant, which is not open right now, but I'll sneak in and kind of just show you kind of what it looks like when there's nobody in there. Really beautiful. They've got some music playing, and this little outdoor area is super cute. My husband actually took some photos here this morning, and they are so good. Check out his feed if you want to see how the images turned out. It's at Mike G on Instagram and on TikTok. Moving down this hallway more, we are going to come up on two other restaurants, and they have made the walk to eat dinner and to enjoy things on this hallway so beautiful. There's something to look at every single step. The next restaurant is as you can see. They're not open right now, they open at 6, but really, really beautiful setup in here. Across the hall from that restaurant, Micarisa, is the Italian restaurant. They also serve breakfast here in the morning. We have breakfast here every morning, and they've got a wide selection of things to choose from. This is the beautiful walk across the bridge to Micarisa, that you can eat the Italian dinner at night and you can enjoy breakfast here in the morning. They also have a morning buffet for breakfast as well. Now that we've done a little bit tour of the inside, I'm going to take you on the outside of the property. Just a really honest disclaimer, it is so hot out here, y'all. It is extremely hot, which is why I put off doing this property tour, because by the time we got around to getting outside after eating breakfast and waking up late, it was just hot like this. So I'm gonna do a quick sweep of the outdoor and show you the pools and the eating areas, and then enjoy the pool because it's our last day. Looks like they're gonna have a pool party today, so we're just in time on our last day to have a little turn up time. Immediately to my right, there's a little spot where there's towels. This is the first pool. This is like, I would say, the in-between pool. There's some music, but it's not like extremely loud. This is not the party pool. I will show you the party pool, but this is not it. And then there's another pool on the other side that is a quiet pool. No music, a good place for you to like read books and all that kind of stuff. So let's see both of the other pools. To my right, there is an outdoor restaurant and bar. You can eat here when you're at the pool. You can grab drinks from there anytime. And that is also the service area for when you are at the pool. They will bring all of your food and drink from that restaurant. Over in this area, you can do custom painting. So they have hats inside of your room, and you can bring down the straw hats and get custom painting and stuff on them, and there's an artist here that can do that for you. It also looks like they have actual hats that you can choose from here, so that's a really cool feature, and I think that's only on Saturdays. We've been here since Thursday. This is the first day we've seen that. This is where you can book excursions. I highly recommend only booking excursions through on-property booking agents. I just think it's a little bit safer, and they're more vetted than if you try to go off-property and book something for this area. Right over here is an event space. There was a wedding here the other night, and it was really beautiful. And immediately over here, there's a ping pong table, another bar, and the party pool. Let's go see the party pool. We're here at the party pool. Over to my right, there's restrooms, the outdoor shower for you to rinse off, towels, and then immediately here we've got a swim up bar. Then they have like the volleyball court, basketball court, and today they are going to have a DJ for the pool party. This is the 2087 restaurant. They are open for lunchtime, and the inside is so beautifully done. There's a beautiful kitchen up here, and a really nice room with swimming pool. This is the place where we actually ate breakfast, or actually we ate lunch when we first got here on our arrival day. Super cool. Definitely check out this restaurant, and there is a bar on that side of this window. We have reached the quiet pool. As you can see, there's no music and it's very quiet. Totally different scene from the other two pools. But let me take you over and show you what exactly it looks like. Super chill, and as you can see in the background, if you can see that, everybody's reading a book, chilling, having a drink. Nothing crazy, just pure relaxation.
So cute.
What kind of bird is it?
Hawk. A Harry's hawk.
Oh wow. Just to give you like an overall layout, the property is really large. The buildings are from here. They span in a semicircular motion all the way across. So our room is actually over here. This is another event space. There was a beautiful wedding here last night, and we stood on our balcony and watched them celebrate, and it was the sweetest freaking thing. From the property, there are several bridges that take you over to the actual beach. This one is closed right now. I'm not sure why, but I'll take you around to the other one so that you can see it. It's a stunning walk out to the bridge. This is the bridge out to the beach. There's a shelf here for you to leave your shoes and a table if you want to leave things here. And the actual walkover is just so pretty. It's so stunning. Also, there is wildlife here. There's tons of iguanas, big and small. There are other little animals that I don't even know the name of them. One of them looks like a giant hamster that has no tail and a little bit of hair, and then one of them looks like a giant squirrel. We also saw a raccoon last night, so just be aware that this property is built in the jungle area, and they still live here. But this is the beach. So beautiful. So color beads, that pretty much sums up the property. Of course, there's a lot more little cracks and crevices to see, but every corner is beautiful, and it's definitely one of the best all-inclusive destinations out there. So if you're headed to Riviera Maya, definitely check out Unico 2087. Color bees, I'm going to enjoy my last day. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.